The fruits of my labor are ripe as I eat it. I don't know if it's fresh or stale. Does it make a difference? I don't know, man. I've just been thinking, is life really worth living when I exist only in feelings? I mean, I've been thinking in my own words, straight up the road with no turns. As I ride this, I don't learn. It's a symphony that I'll be looking to be heard. It's sort of like a freestyle, man. I'll be kicking it. Bars are all cool when you get that service in. I've been getting into blues, so these colors, man. Rhyming random words, kiss, I'll be vibing in. As I let loose, will I live a good life? Praying for my homies as they be fighting their own fights. It's that give up mentality made me lose sight. In my grave till my last breath, I'll be digging right up. CG, let's get it.